Finally, you enter that room. In front of you, a portal starts glowing. By a mystical, magical power, a menacing, dark figure comes out from that portal. It is a demon from the underworld. What you will do? What you will do? Roll initiative.
Hi guys, and welcome to this dark episode of maxdmcrafting. Today we are gonna build a chaos portal, but only for the braves. So guys, I'm very satisfied today because I had some special effects to my tabletop gaming. I built this special glowing portal. You see, it's a chaos portal. I like it. It's in resin. It comes with magnets, so basically it's a two pieces composition. Okay, this can be a pit tile. Okay, sacrifice pit tile. It's very nice with piles of skulls. And this is actually the actual portal. This is another video that comes out with a template that you can download on the link below. Download your file and let's build a chaos portal. So, as usual, we're gonna grab our template and we are gonna cut all of this piece, okay? This piece we will use both for the frame but also for the shape of the entrance, okay? Here I'm using some cheap PVA glue as usual. Be sure to put the glue all over your piece. If you have a piece of cardboard with a straight angle, I suggest you to use the angle, so you need to cut less later. Be sure to have a fresh, nice, sharp blade on your knife, okay? It's safer. So let's cut. Take your time. Don't even try to cut your cheap cardboard at once. It's better to take several passages. We end up with these 5 pieces. We grab a big piece of foam, junk, you can see. I always use junk pieces. And first of all, we're gonna fix with some pins. base. I'm using the template now for reference because we're gonna need this piece later, okay? So we don't use this template for cutting, but we can keep it for later. Now I'm just cutting a little bit the edges. Now, since I crafted the BlackMagicCraft glowing portal, I have this in storage, a lot of these LED lamps. They have a seal inside, so you take off the seal and then, you see, it's a changing color light. Now we're gonna place this inside the step. So this is something that you can just eyeball. So basically I'm cutting around here, okay, using the diagonals as reference. I'm now going to cut 2.5 centimeter circle, okay? Also here I have the circle made with the light and diagonals. So I keep the circle on my side and let's go. Yeah. Hopefully we are okay. See? So now you see we have a perfect hole for our lamp. We can use our piece of cardboard for sustain the base. Now I will cut with the proxen the thickness of the cardboard, okay? See you in a bit. Now, see what I love about the proxen? Yeah, this is very nice. So now we can change, okay? And still we have 2 centimeters of foam. Now I'm decorating this piece with the floor, just hand carved. I like the texture of this foam. I think it's very natural, so here I'm just improvising a little bit. I don't know if you know the Terrain Tutor, the channel here in YouTube by Mel, and actually he said that 50% of the crafter work is to do something, and the other 50% is to invent how to solve problem that you are doing making stuff. So I totally agree with that. And actually now we are creating this couple of additive steps. I'm gonna spend few passages with the filler, so actually we hide the cardboard of the base, closing this. You see this space between the foam and the cardboard. Nice. This black paint is very watered, so it's more like a black wash, you know. In this way I can preserve all the details, because with this paint thing like that I'm protecting the piece, preparing base coating, but I'm not losing details. In this phase the foam is sucking all the water, you know, so it's important to go very wet. Take a couple of passages if it is necessary, okay? Don't be shy. Cover it in black. Okay guys, this is it for today. This episode was a little messy, I know, but it's a chaos portal, so you need to have some chaos in your tutorial. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe this channel. Also follow the links below for all the materials and stuff that I used for this tutorial and for other videos. Another great way to sustain and support this channel is through Patreon. Please follow also the link below, and please drop a comment below, for I like when you participate on this channel in an active way, okay? See you next time, my creepy crafters.